I always go to sleep with some white noise in the background, and when I travel, I have to have one with me, especially since I'm not in my own bed, which is why I absolutely love this little device. It is super small and compact. On the back, you can use batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries, or there's a plug here and it comes with this wire, and you just need one of these little blocks. Your power button here, timing, volume, and then your different settings. So you got rain, waterfall, there's some rumbling water, more water trickling. Oh, there's some birds for you. Some wind, music, more soothing music. Some spa-like music. Nice heavy storm, louder storm, almost like static. I think we're back to the beginning again. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you how quiet it goes. There you go. We'll start with this rain one to show how quiet it is. Okay, so that's the volume all the way down the lowest setting. You can barely hear anything. You hear a little bit, and I'll start pumping it up.